Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about machine vision, one of the most promising technique in the era of fourth industrial revolution. So what is machine vision or MV? The machine vision is the process of extracting information through visual sensors to enable machines to make intelligent decisions by analyzing the visual data and characteristics of images. A machine vision system composed of several essential components like light source, lens, sensors, vision processing unit, and communication unit. The figure illustrates the concept of a machine vision system. So in a machine vision system, the first step is to acquire image or visual data with the help of image sensors. And the sensing principle can be optical or magnetic. So after acquiring the image or visual data, the data actually sends to the analyzing unit, which is basically vision processing unit. Vision processing unit belongs some sophisticated softwares and algorithms to precisely analyze and make proper decision acting on the data. And after making the decision basically goes to the integrated part of an industrial setup or a mechanical setup. Okay, and then with this decision, the industrial unit or mechanical part can act upon the decision, right? And this is how an automated industrial setup works automatically with the help of machine vision technique. And we're if we try to summarize the working principle of a machine vision system, we can do in such a way. Step 1. First of all, a camera takes picture or visual data and then it to be tested in the presence of lens and suitable intensity and with suitable intensity of light source. And finally, the computer processor or vision processor will analyze the properties or characteristics of image or visual data and it will come up with a proper decision. In step 2, the computer will define and analyze the characteristics of visual and image data and make the decision. In step 3, after analyzing, the computer system will communicate with rejection unit. So for example, if the part or object is defected, otherwise if it is detected as any kind of flaws or detection defect free, then it will be sent to the next station for further processing. And in this way, a machine vision system basically works. Machine vision versus computer vision. So what are the basic differences between machine vision and computer vision technique? Actually, a machine vision system uses camera or imaging system to view an image And computer vision algorithms then process and interpret the image before instructing other components of the system to act upon the data. That means the machine vision system utilizes the computer vision algorithms or computer vision techniques. Actually, a computer vision is an integrated part of a machine vision system. Without a computer vision algorithms or process, machine vision system cannot work. But machine vision system itself can work alone without uh, needing to be a part of larger machine system. That means for a computer vision system, no need to have larger mechanical system or industrial system in it, because machine vision is mostly perform some algorithms like AI or machine learning algorithms to recognize uh, features from the image information or visual data, and it basically come up with some decision like human brain does, right? So in a contrary, we can say computer vision technique is a brain of a machine vision system. And again, we can say that a machine vision system is a larger system that involved with larger mechanical or industrial setup, right? That utilizes machine vision, computer vision algorithms for analyzing image or interpreting image data to act upon the information of data, right? In order to perform a particular task in a large industrial setup. Now, moving on to a particular example of machine vision. Here, we're going to discuss about the inspection technology. So, in a factory arrangement, by using a machine vision system, we can perform the inspection of an industry. How? So, figure illustrates an inspection mechanism. Here, uh, there is a smart camera developed by Texas Instrument, I think. So this camera captures the imagery of the product produced by the industry from the production line, and it analyzes whether the product is qualityful or there is any kind of defect over there. So after taking the image, the vision processor actually analyze the data or visual information of the particular product, and it will finally decide whether it is perfect one or is there any defect in it. If it is defected, then it will send command to the reject kicker, and then the reject kicker will push the product to move it into the defected product box. Otherwise, If the product is okay, then it will go to the next step for further processing. This is how a particular machine vision system works. Here the system is an inspection technique of an industrial setup. Machine vision is a key of fourth industrial revolution. What is basically the fourth industrial revolution? So in the era of fourth industrial revolution, actually artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing a vital role. But in the fourth industrial revolution, artificial intelligence, automation, robotics, uh, and some biological technologies also involved. So if we go through the all revolutionary development in the industrial sector, we can easily grasp that during the industrial revolution 1, actually the technology behind the development was water and steam power as well as mechanization. At the time, the water steam engine was invented, and also the uh, mechanical things are also came in, like the mechanical, the industry, and the automation system uses some sort of mechanical devices as well at the time, rather than using some manual processes. And in industry 2, in that revolution, the mass production and assembly line and electrical energy, these were the vital uh, technologies for that industrial revolution. And in industry 3, the computer and electronic devices and components were developed in 20th century. So, and then finally, we now are in the era of fourth industrial revolution. In short, we can say industry 4. So in industry 4, some advanced technologies are playing vital roles, like autonomous robots, cloud computing, Internet of Things, additive manufacturing, cyber physical system, augmented reality, Internet of services, simulation, and big data analytics. So these are the characteristics of a fourth industrial revolutionary setup, a fourth industrial revolution, right? So these are the characteristics of fourth industrial revolution. So these are the key features of fourth industrial revolution, right? So industry 4. So if we would like to standardize an industry as industry 4, then the industrial setup might have this sort of characteristics, or this industry must use this sort of technologies. Application of machine vision. We can see here some potential application areas of machine vision. These are automotive industry, electronic industry, food industry, and logistics, manufacturing, robotics, packaging industry, pharmaceuticals, and mining. So now we'll look into some particular purpose of using machine vision system. So why we are using machine vision system and what sort of tasks can be performed by using machine vision system. These are basically measurement, counting, location, decoding, and so on. So by using machine vision technique, a machine can perform measurement tasks automatically. The figure shows a machine is automatically measuring some part of a bottleneck, right? So here the figure shows the results of this kind of measurement task. Okay, so now we are moving on to the another uh, type of applications like counting. So counting is another typical machine vision application. It's basically uh, measures or looks into number of or for counting, look at count number of things like in example one, there are several holes there, but machine can automatically count how many holes are there. And similarly, in the example two, the machine will be able to count some objects in a production line, whether something is missing there or not. So for example two, we can easily see that is a bottle is missing here in this packet. So the machine can automatically detect that. So now the location method. So machine vision also used to report the location and orientation of parts, right? So this is a sophisticated part manufactured in a manufacturing industry, and in this industry there is a machine vision technique that basically uh, look at the location of the holes or arrangement of necessary holes inside the parts. Okay, so figure actually illustrates that thing. And finally decoding, and we all know about this kind of system in especially in the super shop or some supermarket. So whenever we buy something and when you try to pay, then they actually use this machine vision system for decoding its particular identity by scanning the QR code here. Okay, so this is one kind of example of decoding capabilities of machine vision system. So machine vision system can decode so many things by using the optical data. Advantages of machine vision. So what are the basic advantages and benefits of machine vision technique? Actually, machine vision system works more faster than manual system, and machine vision is a consistent in performing anything, and it also performed beyond human vision. So human vision is basically slow, in terms of the speed, processing speed, but computer vision can perform at a high speed than the human vision and high repeatable in controlled environment. In a controlled environment, a computer vision task can be repeatedly performed. No fatigue. There will be no fatigue. Even the system runs uh, for a day long or even for a week. And the machine vision system is definitely very reliable and it is good for unsafe and hazardous environment. So yeah, in some unsafe and hazardous environment, the machine vision system can easily perform its task where it is difficult for human being to do that sort of work in a hazardous situation. And it can operate well in space constrained environments as well. Thank you all for listening.